All right, so I'm putting the lights, whatever, my cab lights on here now in this video. If you didn't see the last video, I took and drilled some holes in there for the wires, and then I also drilled holes to put rib nuts in. Just because the screws they gave was just like self-tapping screws. I didn't really like that, so I put rib nuts in there, and I got the right bolts to put in there. See, I'm gonna go ahead and put these lights on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put them all on, and then we'll see them on there. So you just came with these. Whatever, just a point, just drill it in. And that, I don't know, I just didn't like it. I feel like eventually it would either wind out of there or rip out of there, and then I got a bigger hole and a bigger problem. So I did this instead. I think is a lot better. But it came with little like nylon washers. But I went and got these to go in my rib nuts, and I'm going to use that nylon washer to put on there and do that. So I'm going to just go ahead and do it, and yeah, like I said, we'll come back. Well, I thought I recorded that. I was going to time lapse me putting those on there. Apparently didn't hit record. Anyway, I got them on there. How sick does that look? Nice. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, got them all on there. Now we gotta go on the inside and wire it all up. So I got those on there. I ended up taking a piece of wire, like a hard piece of wire, drilling my holes a little bit bigger, and then fishing it through from this one to that one. And then I tied my the wire for the lights onto that and pulled it through, and then kept doing that all the way to the other side, and then the same thing, fished it through there to in the cab. And then I just put it on a switch for now, and I think I'm going to put it onto my light, yet that when I turn my lights on, those lights go on. But yeah, I'll put a picture here with them on. You can't really see it in the light now, so yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. See you next time.